Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Pretty Little Thing haul. So I was on their website last night, thank you, next day delivery, and I found so many great autumn winter pieces that I thought I'd share with you guys. You'll see me try them on for the first time. You can get my first impressions and see how they look for yourselves. And I don't want to ramble too much because I want to get into the fun part. I didn't mention prices and stuff, just I kind of forgot, so everything will be linked down below. If you want to have a look for yourself and check out the items, I'll just link them down below in the order I wear them. Nice and simple. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Yeah, video time. Okay, so this is the first thing I'm trying on, and it is this leopard cheetah print dress that I am absolutely obsessed with. These style of wrap dresses, even though this is like a faux wrap dress, so it's not actually a wrap dress, there's a zip at the side. I love these. I feel like they suit my figure quite a lot. They're quite flattering because they cinch you in at the waist and then they go out, so it makes it look like you have a tiny waist. Gives you a little bit more curves than you may actually have, and I am in love with this print. This print is everywhere at the moment. Got quite a muted tone to it. I'll show you the print up close, but they're not very vibrant, it's not very brash. This dress with a pair of over-the-knee boots, black boots, I think would look absolutely gorgeous. It's just such a wearable and easy dress, but it looks really good at the same time. I genuinely love this dress so much. Both of these items are from the Pretty Little Thing haul. I just paired them together just to show you guys how I'd wear them and just so you can see both things at once. I'm obsessed with this kind of, I don't know what it is, quite a straight cut cozy jumper. It's quite cropped, so it's not too long. And I paired it with the most gorgeous faux leather brown skirt. Got button detailing down the middle. Such an autumnal wearable autumn winter piece. I feel like you'd see this type of thing in Zara for a lot more than I paid for here. I'll link everything down below because I'm not 100% sure with prices. It feels actually really comfortable. Both of these do. This feels very warm, and I've got quite long arms, so I kind of like how this comes down to my fingers. I don't like when things like finish quite high up. I like them to have a bit of room, especially for me. I have super duper long arms and limbs. So yeah, this is the outfit paired together. Super autumnal, wintry. I can imagine this look, I'm not going to say over the knee boots, but with a pair of statement ankle boots. I have kind of been obsessed with like pointy ankle boots with like the leather and the cozy jumper, mixing the materials, mixing the fabrics, mixing the colours. A pair of like ox blood heels, like ankle boot heels, were just so good. Okay, so this next outfit is a boiler suit. Now, I've been kind of trying to take on this trend, trying to accept it. At first I wasn't a fan at all, and now I think I found the most perfect boiler suit ever. I love the colour of this. It's such a wearable colour, and it's sleeveless. I don't know what it was. I feel like with the long sleeves and the long leg and like the one shape, I thought it was a bit too much, whereas with it being sleeveless, I personally find it a lot more wearable. I've paired it up with the most insane belt from Pretty Little Thing. It literally looks like a Fendi belt, and it was like, I don't know, under £10, I think like £8 or something. I am really obsessed with it. I think with boiler suits you either love them or you don't. I'm kind of loving them right now, and I love this colour because like I said, you can incorporate it with golds and blacks, tie in the look. I feel like with a belt it adds a little bit something extra to the look. It kind of cinches you in, gives you kind of more put together look. I think it's really wearable, especially with the sleeves in the autumn because you can layer it. I think it's a really nice piece. Like, let me know what you guys think down below. Are you a fan of this or not? Are you a fan of boiler suits in general or not? No idea where this trend came about, but I'm kind of loving it. So it won't be a haul of mine without some sort of jumper dress. And if you guys couldn't already tell, I'm obsessed with this beigey, creamy colour. I decided to pair it back up with this belt, but I did something a little bit different. I wrapped it, as opposed to showing, I showed you before what it looks like with the gold as a belt. So I thought it'd be fun to wrap it around the front bit and let it hang down. Honestly, this looks like such an expensive belt. It's so lovely and it's so versatile. Drape it over stuff like this to cinch you in, or wear it as a normal belt. I decided to also pair it with this black and gold bag, which honestly, if you showed me it, I would have thought it was some sort of designer bag with this lion head on the front and this gold studded detailing. It feels like a really good quality bag and it's so affordable. I feel like Pretty Little Thing are nailing the stuff on the head. Is that the right phrase? Yeah, I just thought I'd put together a look instead of just showing you the jumper dress, just kind of show you how I'd wear it. To be completely honest, I would wear this with black over the knee boots, but I don't have any with me right now. So imagine this with the black boots. Perfection. Okay, so this dress is everything I want in a dress. Let me take this bag off for a sec. I love this style of dress. I think it's so flattering, so wearable. I feel like it looks really sophisticated but simple and chic at the same time. You're just throwing on a dress, but because you know it's long sleeve, it's a great length, it's so wearable for many different occasions. I thought I'd show you guys how I'd style it up with this bag, or kind of like any crossbody bag, but I've been liking this style of like box crossbody bag. It ties in well with this maroon deep colour, and I would wear if I had some like ox blood ankle boots with like a point. As I was discussing earlier, I'm absolutely obsessed with like pointed ankle boots, or maybe even a black pair. If you guys have any that you've seen, let me know down below. If not, I'm on the lookout anyway, so I'll link some along with this dress so you can kind of get a picture of what I mean down below. This is the type of going out dress I'd wear. Pair of boots, this dress, you know you're not going to be super cold, and it looks really nice at the same time. I don't know what it is, I'm just not a big fan of this. So initially I thought this is going to be chiffon-y. It's going to be chiffon and it's going to fold over and it's really cute. It's like a scuba-y material, which is fine, it's very comfortable, but it's not sitting very well. Maybe it needs to be ironed or something. I don't know, I don't think it's that flattering on. And then I thought I'd pair it with this long sleeve top, and like, do you know how I was saying about tops that I don't like them when they finish like right here? Just because they make me look like I'm wearing someone else's clothes. Maybe my arms are just a bit long and I don't think it goes very well together. I thought I'd like it a little bit more than I do, and this is quite see-through. Yeah, I don't think I'll keep either of these two, and they're the only two things that I didn't like in the whole haul, in the whole thing, which is weird that I left them to last. Look okay, let me know what you guys think. Maybe it's not as bad as I think, but I just don't think I just wouldn't really wear these two. I don't feel very comfortable, it feels quite tight. Let me know what you guys think. Apart from that, I wanted to, and I am going to keep everything else. Maybe just return these two. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot take this jumper dress off. It's so comfy and cozy. I kind of just want to live in it. Let me know what you guys thought of the haul down below. Which were your favourites? Are you going to purchase any? Let me know. Let's start a convo. Like I said, everything's linked down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Completely free. You can just be notified every time I upload a video. just join our little family. Woohoo. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I shall see you guys soon. Bye.